Hello everybody, and a very warm welcome to my channel. This is Nikki here. This video is made for the Third Saturday Art Hop, and this event is hosted by Martha I Love to Paint, also known as Ayala Art, ably assisted by the wonderful Mona Creates. There are many other wonderful artists taking part in this art hop, and all links to the other creators' channels will be in the description box below and in the comment section below as well, because I like to just make sure that you get to join in the hop as well. If you've never subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing. It helps with the algorithms, and if you could leave a nice kind comment as well, I would really appreciate that. So this video, it has the theme of Mothering Sunday, and some of us have already had Mothering Sunday and others are just coming up. So this month of May is, Mothering Sunday month. I think I've actually celebrated it twice this month already. Lucky I. So I made this watercolour and thought that, eventually it might be turned into a greeting card. Maybe a Mothering Sunday greeting card, or maybe even, it is almost winter here, so we are in wintry climes in the south. So yeah, you're coming into summer, we're coming into winter. I don't know why I said that. Maybe it's because this beautiful little bird looks like it's got a little scarf around its neck or something, but hey. Don't worry, I do get in closer. I realised I was a little bit too far away and I did zoom in. So don't worry about that. It's watercolours. My favourite watercolours to use are the Caran d'Ache watercolours. And I actually also use some watercolour pencils as well. That weren't Inktense, but they were still Derwent. I'm pretty sure they were still Derwent. Yeah. So if you like this video, please do think of subscribing, leaving a kind comment, and wherever you are on your journey in life, please do travel safely. Please do travel safely. And I will see you all again very soon. Thank you so much for watching.